How to fix voicemail unavailable on iPhone after iOS 17 update. So if you want to fix voicemail unavailable on your iPhone after iOS 17 update, then what you need to do is just follow the steps. So first you have to start with the basic setting. So you just need to simply go ahead and enable the airplane mode. For about 20 to 30 seconds, you need to turn it on, and after that again turn it back off, and quickly after that just go ahead and open up your settings. And then you want to just scroll down and then go with the mobile service section or the mobile section. Select your mobile network and make sure that you're actually enabling the network selection. Tap on network selection and make sure that it is turned on. Quickly after, just go ahead and restart your iPhone and check with your problem if it's solved or not. But if you're still having your problems, then you just need to simply open up your settings again, and you need to scroll down to your screen time. Once you find your screen time, tap on it. And from the screen time, you need to scroll down and then go with content and privacy restrictions. And make sure to disable the content and privacy restrictions. If it's enabled, disable that, get out of here, and check your problem. If it's still there, you have to do a little workaround. Just go ahead and open up your iPhone settings, tap on your Apple ID, tap on your iCloud, and then tap on the apps that are using iCloud. Go with See All, which will be in the right side, and you will have the contacts option right here. You just need something, go ahead and enable the contact option. In my case, it's already enabled, but if it's turned off, you just need something, go and turn it on. And the last thing you need to do is just go back, and from here you need to scroll down, go with general. Under general, scroll all the way down and tap on transfer reset iPhone, and then tap on reset and select reset network. And once you reset your network settings, your problem will be fixed. Go and restart, and that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.